So in this video, you'll learn how to create an effective video marketing and sales funnel, one that will significantly improve the number of leads you get and the conversion rate of those leads to sales and revenue, and that's starting right now. Hi everyone, I'm Carl. Welcome to Next Level Video Marketing, a channel where you get the latest strategies and tips to help you achieve your marketing and business goals through video. So you've probably heard of a marketing and sales funnel before, but how do you use it with video? So I'm going to show you a very straightforward video marketing funnel, one that has significantly increased the number of qualified leads we got. So not just the number of leads, but also leads that actually convert to sales and revenue. Now you'll need an advertising budget for this, but there's some long-term benefits for your company or your business. So all you'll need for this funnel are 2 videos, 3 if you have a long buying cycle. So let's get to it. So for the first video, I want you to lead with education. So solve your customers' problems. Create a video that answers their questions and solves any of the issues that they may have. And how do you find these issues, problems, or questions? Well, pretty easy. So the easiest way to finding these questions and issues and problems are by talking to the teams that are front-facing to your customers, like your sales teams, customer experience teams, customer service teams, and anyone else who is in regular contact with customers. You can also use Google to find these questions and problems. Start by typing in the most common question your customer always asks your sales team or your customer experience team, and see if there's any related questions either at the bottom of the page or any additional questions that come up on the search engine result page. So from all the problems, issues, and questions that you've gathered and researched, find the number 1 or 2, create a video that answers those problems and addresses those issues, and use that as your first video. Try to stick between 2 to 5 minutes, just as long as you fully address the issue and answer the question. This could be something as simple as a talking head in interview, or more complex like an animated infographic. It really depends on you how much resources and budget you want to attach to this. I've used all 3 and have had great results with any one of them. So for the channel, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, whichever channel that your audience is on, but just make sure that your campaign objective is video views. When targeting the audiences in these channels, you want to try to reach as many people as possible in your industry to watch this video. Try to get the reach to 100,000 or more, or as much as you can. Then the algorithms on these channels will do its best to reach the people who are actually more likely to watch the video. So for the budget, it really depends on how much you can spend and how long you can spend for. I've done it with $1,000 all the way up to tens of thousands of dollars. It really depends on how long you want the campaign to run for. But optimizing for video views usually costs less than optimizing for traffic or conversions or even engagements. By trying to get as many people in your industry to watch this video, what we're trying to do is find all those people who have the problem and issue that your product and service can solve. And how we do that is by building retargeting lists from all the people who watch the video. So for video number 2, this is actually optional. You'd only use this if your buying cycle is quite long, 6 months, maybe 9 months, maybe 12 months. So before creating this video, I actually want you to create a content offer, whether that's a checklist, a webinar, an ebook, maybe an infographic that still solves the customer's problems and leads with education. I also want you to create a landing page where you can host this content offer, but don't gate it. Don't put a form in front of it. What we want to do is people to consume the content that you've just created. The reason being is we want to provide value, lead with education, and we want people to actually consume this content. So with targeting, this is why it's so important that as many people as possible in your industry watch the first video, because you're going to target all the people who watch 50% or more of your first video and drive them to the landing page that you've just built with your content offer in it. So you could gate the content offer and collect emails and information, but the whole point of this is actually to drive them to the landing page and actually get them to consume the content offer that you developed. And having a gated form is just an obstacle that prevents more people from consuming your content. So just to recap, create a content offer, create a landing page, create a video that promotes that content offer, and target all the people that have watched 50% or more of your first video. So for video number 3, or video number 3 if you watch Inglourious Bastards, this is where you can use your product or service video, your demos, case studies, and testimonials. This is where you target all the people who watched 50% or more of your first and second video, as well as all the people who went to your landing page and consumed your content offer. So if you don't know how to create these retargeting or custom audiences in the various social channels, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll create a video in the future on how to do that. So the objective for number 3 is to drive to your product page, your demo page, or your bottom of funnel landing pages. So the whole point of this video marketing funnel is to turn a cold audience into a warm audience by helping solve their problems, answering the questions and issues. So my experience in using this video marketing funnel in both a business to business or business to consumer organization is that not only does it drive more leads, but it drives higher quality leads because you actually can find those people who need your product or service. As for how long to run this campaign, it really depends on your buying cycle and how much budget and resources you're willing to put into it. I do want you to test this video marketing funnel against your previous campaigns to see how well it does. I feel it'll do significantly better, maybe not in terms of how many leads it generates, but definitely in terms of how many quality leads you get and how many of those leads actually convert into sales and revenue. So there is a secondary benefit to this video marketing funnel that you've created, where you can use the retargeting lists from the landing pages and the videos to future ads and future video ads as well. So to recap the video marketing funnel, so for the first video, lead with education. Create a video that answers the questions and addresses the problems that your customers have. The objective is to have as many people as possible in your industry watch the video and to create retargeting audiences from all the people who watched. The second video is optional, especially businesses with longer buying cycles. You're gonna create a value-based content offer, such as a webinar or ebook, and create a video that promotes that content offer. And you'll also wanna create an ungated landing page for that content offer. And you're gonna target all the people who watched 50% or more of your first video. And for video number 3, this is where you use your product video, your demos, your case studies, your testimonials. And this is where you target all the people who watched 50% or more of your first and second video, as well as all the people who visited your ungated landing page and consumed the content that you created. So today's question is, have you used a video marketing funnel in the past? How did you set it up? Did it work? Let me know in the comment section below. To further increase the impact of your marketing videos, watch this here as it shows you how to build an effective video strategy, or this video on how to promote and distribute your videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.